Do we trust our now? Do you trust your instincts that gently guide us? Those gut feelings that tell you what feels right? Life is a journey, and joy is the guide. Don't be hard on yourself for not following through with something that doesn't feel good. It's like appreciating the different flavors in life, understanding that joy in the present moment is what matters. I've been learning that the journey is not about accumulating things or reaching a specific place. It's about enjoying the ride. Picture it like enjoying your favorite movie. The thrill is in the story, not just the ending. Now, does it really matter which specific experience I'm having, as long as it brings joy? That's the key, the joy code. It's like enjoying a delicious treat, finding joy in every moment. It's about listening to what feels good right now. What would you choose between a seemingly urgent task and something that brings you joy? In our path of manifesting our desires, it's crucial to recognize and follow the pleasure path, the path that feels good, even if it defies conventional logic or deviates from our usual set of actions. Trusting that feeling good is aligning us with our desires is a powerful mindset shift. Consider this. Instead of diving headfirst into a seemingly urgent project, you decide to take a leisurely walk on the beach. Initially, it might not make sense, and you might question the deviation from your routine. However, trusting your instinct that this feels good is the key. Now imagine that during this beach stroll, you unexpectedly meet someone who shares valuable information, something inspiring that sparks a new idea within you. This encounter becomes a pivotal moment, setting a series of events into motion. The essence here is that it's not always the immediate action that leads directly to our desires. Instead, it's the joy, the pleasure found in the journey itself. By embracing the pleasure path, you open yourself up to unexpected opportunities and connections that may not have surfaced if you were solely focused on the traditional, logical steps. It's about understanding that pleasure is in the path, and every joyful step you take contributes to the manifestation of your desires. The walk on the beach, the chance encounter, the inspired idea, all these elements weave together to create a tapestry of fulfillment. So, the next time you're faced with a choice between a seemingly urgent task and something that brings you joy, consider embracing the pleasure path. Trust that feeling good is guiding you toward your desires, and revel in the joy of the journey, knowing that every step is a crucial part of the